really nervous about walking around here by myself. We're gonna do the hookah. We've never done it before. This is my second time here. I feel pretty safe. It's called Miranda. Say it, James.
No. You're so picky.
I don't care what you do, but here's a tip from me to you. Look your failures in the eye. Only way to say goodbye. Once you lift them from your heart, you could have a brand new start. It's true. And life will smile to you. I say life will smile.
Good morning. We are doing the hard adjustment of dealing with the time change, an 8-hour time difference. So we're on day 2 of it. I just woke up. I'm not ready to wake up. I didn't go to bed until like 4:30 a.m. and it's noon here. It's 12:02. So I'm getting closer. So hopefully I'll be more tired tonight and can get situated by day 3. This is why when you come to this part of the world, you need to at least come for 10 days. Because if you come for a week, 3 days of it will be time adjustment. Okay, we're going out to eat. There's a car trying to get in here. I got my fresh squeezed orange juice, and I'm gonna tell you the place we're going to eat. It's called Miranda. Say it, James.
Miranda Karasabi restaurant.
You got to say it louder.
Miranda Karasabi restaurant.
Let's go. I'm in love with this window. Okay, so when you come in here, you actually pick your meat, and that's what we're gonna go with. It looks like those are skewers. It's in a cream gravy sauce. Maitland's gonna do the chicken wings, and these look like all the different sides. Oh my goodness, it's amazing. Okay, so
Nice.
he was adamant that we try this. This is like a Turkish food. I think it's in banana leaf.
Oh, I can eat.
Is this banana leaf?
They're not banana, like it's a
Seaweed?
grape leaves, yeah.
Grape leaves,
Yes.
yes.
It's rice.
It's like falafel, right?
There is a rice in these sides,
Yes, okay, rice.
and the spicy rice.
That's good.
It's good? Okay. Okay, here we go.
Do you like it?
I like it a lot.
I told you.
Yeah,
very good.
I told you.
Very, very good. It's very good. Okay, the one James is getting is like a
5 cheese pistachio.
5. What do you think? Is it that good?
The receptors just kind of took a while to kick in, and all of a sudden when the cheese met the tongue and the pistachio met the teeth, it was like...
Wow, I can't wait to have that experience. Okay, now they said this one's very hot. As you can see, there's like crushed peppers in it.
Go easy on it.
I'm a little excited about the pigs.
This one's gonna be
Okay,
mine.
I'm just going a little light. Not too hot. I can handle more heat than James, believe it or not. Who would have thought? That was the cheese.
You know, in Spain, they don't really eat spicy things.
What about Mexico?
Why don't you try it? What's wrong with you?
Yes.
Okay, fine.
Yes. Those are grape leaves.
You eat like a Turkish, right?
She's eating it just like a Turkish.
Yeah.
She's still like,
He's very
she's still
big.
like, you know,
Like a
like
kid.
chicken, like fried chicken and mashed potatoes. Yeah, meat.
She's like a little girl.
You're so picky.
So, yeah.
I will eat it, but thank you.
But we came to Turkey, and it's a traditional cuisine for Turkey. You need to try it.
Yeah.
That's why I'm asking.
At least she tried it. It's a new experience. Okay, so these are our kebabs. I got one of these, and
You try it?
we got roasted garlic. So I'm teaming it up with the steak. It's so good. Okay, so we're at lunch here, and I'm like hearing pigs, and sure enough, there are pigs down here. Nose is so long.
So we've changed spots for our tea time. So hot. I don't know how they drink this right away. So good though. Turkish tea is so yummy and I love the little glasses. I'd like to get some of these for at home, but I would probably never end drinking my tea like this. Maybe like once a year I would end up doing it.
I wonder how it tastes iced.
Probably good. With a little lemon, lemon or peppermint. Okay, bye babies. Bye. You be good mama. You too tiny. Okay, that was a wonderful lunch and we're gonna head out. Just try and get some rest and see if we can get on schedule because tomorrow we're going out on the boat. Okay, back to our taxi. Oh, it's a very good lunch. Oh, the light's not working.
What?
That light? Oh, maybe it's a different one. Okay, we just made it back. James is gonna start his work day.
Yes.
So the nice thing about being here, yeah, he has to work into the night, but his days are night in Florida. So we get to play during the day and then he works at night till like, what time, 11?
11.
Till 11 o'clock at night, which is fine because we're usually up till that time. Last night I was up till 4:30 a.m. Hopefully that doesn't happen again. Let some light in here. So I am getting ready to run to town. Maitland is doing school and I'm gonna bring my bag. James is doing work. So I'm gonna go line up our boat tour for tomorrow. I'm gonna go get a haircut and I might stop by the store if we need anything. So I'm gonna grab my bag so I don't have to pay for that again. Okay, I'll see you in a bit.
Baby safe.
Thank you. I'll see you in a little bit.
Okay, where you going?
I'm gonna go line up our boat tour, maybe get a haircut, and I brought my bag just in case I need to go to the grocery, okay?
Okay. I may come meet up with you if you're still out. Because I've got a break between, let's see, what time is that? That is 31 or 2 hours.
You can meet up with me
In 2 hours.
in 2 hours, okay? Well, I'll let you know where I'm at. Bye. Love you. So at first I was like really nervous about walking around here by myself, but I mean, this is my second time here. I really know the area. I feel pretty safe. So it's very hot here right now, which I love because tomorrow we'll be swimming. So I had to put on something a bit cooler. I think I'm gonna start with the haircut and do that first because that's the part James will least likely want to join me for. So I'll do that now. Man, there's a lot of crickets or something, locusts. I think it's in this tree. It's very loud. So right there is our Airbnb. It's this building right here. And here's the salon I looked up. It's so close. So we'll see if they can get me in. Okay, I'm about to get my hair shampooed. I'll be back. So they made me a coffee. It's good. And then I did that Ramini with different hairstyles and I'm gonna go more like this. I'm trying to bring my brown back because the blonde damaged it so much. So I'm going with this look. That was so cute. I love it. Okay, I just got my hair cut. I love it. I got my last haircut in Turkey as well. They do such a great job here. And I'm trying to grow out my blonde and go back to my brunette. So this is getting me a little bit closer. I still have a lot of blonde, but I guarantee if I wait till the next time I come to Turkey to get another haircut, I'll be completely brunette by then. I love the blonde. I really do think blondes have more fun and I wish I could be blonde. So my haircut was 600 Turkish liras and then, sorry, And then I tipped another 200 liras. So altogether, I paid 800 Turkish liras. And my price was $19.34 for my haircut and blow dry. And they did a full blowout, you saw, with the round brush. So $19, that's really good. Okay, I'm back over by the water and I walked over here. This is only like a 5-minute walk from our Airbnb, and I'm gonna see about finding us a boat tour for tomorrow. Very excited about that because we will get to swim. And last time we did the boat tour here, I did not swim because it was too cold. It will not be too cold this time. It's actually really hot here. Okay, this is a boat that has the tour that I want to do, and he's gonna show it to me. I wear my shoes?
Yeah, no problem.
Okay. So they serve food. So this is where we eat. It looks like bathrooms down there, but what I really want to see is the top deck. Oh, this is cool. Oh yes, they have the mats for laying out. This is a nice boat. Okay, I like this one. So it looks like this used to be a water feature with ballerinas. It's very cute. Look at how fun these trees are. This one has stuff all over it. It's just the bark. It's like a warded trunk or spikes. And this one doesn't have any. This must be the girl. I don't know if that's true, but you never know. Plants have a lot of the same human features like humans do with reproduction. Like the male trees are taller and stuff like that. So there's the old castle up there. You can see it from this square here. I just love this. This is such a cool area. And there's the Fethiye sign. Kind of thinking I want to go grab a coffee or a tea or something. I'm gonna find a cute little area and then I'll hit the supermarket for snack. Well, this looks very delicious. And there's this. So maybe I'll come here for a quick snack. So this is a tiramisu cheesecake and then the classic Turkish cheese. Looks good, not too rich. Very much tastes like tiramisu. More tiramisu than cheesecake. Okay, so we decided we're gonna do the hookah. We've never done it before and they have it here and then you get to choose all these flavors. I don't even know what this is. Okay, let's let James take a stab at it. What do you think?
So the mixes look good. Caramelized peach flavor. Yeah, banana and mint doesn't sound too good.
So we ended up doing a mix between Love 66 and Lady Killer. He's gonna do like a combination so it's not too strong. Okay, here it is. Okay, so here's the hookah. It tastes really good. I just don't have the lung capacity, I feel like, to get a lot of smoke, but here we go.
Take another one.
Another one. Water. This is our lovely setup. And the sun's starting to set. It's just James and I. This is roast beef, cheese, and pita. Very delicious. Okay, we're all done this evening. That was really fun. I'd like to bring Maitland back here. What do you think?
Yeah, I mean, I actually liked it. I enjoyed it.
I did too. I think when we get him.
Didn't give me a headache. Didn't.
I don't have a headache either. It's a bat. Made it back to home sweet home. It's about 8 o'clock our time. And I'm going to get cleaned up and go to bed at a reasonable hour so I can get up hopefully. I have to because we have our boat thing. So we will see you tomorrow. Good night.